हाय जॉन वरुण, बेहतरीन ट्रेलर, मज़ा आया, कॉन्सेप्ट भी काफ़ी यूनिक सा लगा। शूटिंग के दौरान कई खबरें आई थी लाइक कि कभी आपको इंजरी हो रही है, कभी जॉन सर को इंजरी, तो वो दौर क्या था और उस दौर के बाद जब ये ट्रेलर आप देखते हैं तो हाउ यू बोथ फील?
वो जो दौर था दौड़ने के वक्त हुआ था। जो मेरे भाई है, एक शॉट था जो गाड़ी के ऊपर जंप करना था मुझे, और इट वाज अराउंड आई थिंक 38 to 40 डिग्रीज, एंड वी वर नॉट गेटिंग द परफेक्ट टेक, एंड ही इज क्वाइट अ परफेक्शनिस्ट, and we kept doing it again and again, and I think while jumping over the car, my finger got stuck between the bonnet of the car and the other जो other दूसरा हिस्सा है, and it was very hot as well, and because of that pain I think I got a heat stroke, and I don't think I fainted, but he claims
fainted.
he
He fainted.
he claims that I
काइंड ऑफ बेहोश हो गए थे टेक्निकली, मतलब कुछ 30 सेकंड के लिए। बट जो कमाल की बात है कि वरुण इस पिक्चर में चॉपर से भी लटके एज यू सॉ, बट तब उन्हें कुछ नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन जंपिंग ओवर दिस कार,
क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे सामने जॉन थे, तो मुझे लगा कि चॉपर को कुछ हो जाए तो ठीक है, कुछ और हो जाए तो मैं जॉन को पकड़ लूंगा, तो ठीक है, तो बच जाऊंगा।
जॉन सर, अगर आप
I think we had a lot of fun, great action, or I think the action sequences are very large in the film. It's a huge scale film, really huge.
जैकलीन, अगर आप किसी को ढिशुम कहना चाहें तो किसे कहेंगी और क्यों?
Any actress you mean?
No, no. Lisa?
Who?
Lisa.
Lisa Hayden.
Dishum. But I just have to say, actually, those lions that you saw, they were actually in front of us, and they were very scary, and so were the camels. So, just because we're talking about scary things.
साई साहब, एक तरफ हाउसफुल 1, 2, 3 आ रही है, एक तरफ डिशुम जैसी फिल्में भी आ रही हैं आपकी तरफ से, तो अभी और क्या क्या प्लानिंग है? क्योंकि ये 2016
बस हो गया
सर, बोलिए ना।
नहीं बस इस साल
No.
Dishum is last.
Come on.
This year Dishum is last.
Okay, it is last, but
आप डायरेक्ट करेंगे इस साल?
make something.
Not yet.
Next year.
Hi, I'm from the Bus Diary this side, to your right. Here.
Hi, what's up? How's it going?
The trailer is mind-blowing, really fresh, not seen here at all.
Thank you.
My question is to the entire cast. This seems like a film which is really close to your hearts. Can you tell us all about one special moment which you had in this film which really made you feel this should work?
I think we'll start with Sajid sir, because I think why he greenlit this film.
We've been trying to work for about 3-4 years, and the first line when he told me, that took me about 2 minutes, 2 minutes line, and it was green lighted then.
Yeah, it was that immediate actually. You know, it's Sajid Bhai's instincts which are so strong, and he's always so decisive that it just gives me a lot of confidence. And it was just his reaction to the basic story that, you know, pushed me to just get on board and start writing it, and it just gave me a lot of energy and drive.
I think John.
I think just all of us coming together is fantastic. With Sajid, it's my second film. And I think for me, at least, he's grown more as a friend, and I can confidently say I'm really close to him today. Rohit is like my little brother, so it's after Desi Boys, I'm coming back with him. Varun and I, jo aapko dikh raha tha screen on the screen, we're the same off the screen. Our chemistry is absolutely fantastic, absolutely fantastic. And Jackie, of course, I've worked with her before. I'm working with her again. She's a sweetheart. Akshay, I mean, I've been a huge fan of Akshay, so the fact that he's in this film means so much to me personally. I think he's a fantastic actor, and the team, Eros, Nandu, you know, we're a good team together, so it just feels very nice to be on this film. It's very special, and it comes from our heart. We're not forcing a line here. It all comes from the heart.
Yeah.
For me, honestly, it is super emotional. He is my brother, and he is my hero in real life. And I even remember when Desi Boys had released, I went to every theater, tried to find out what the audience reaction, and it's different. It's different from my film releasing. It's different from my father's film releasing or a friend's film releasing. I can't really put it in words how it feels when your own blood like gives his life to make something special. And honestly, I feel there's one person needed who has to be very obsessive when he's making a film, who has to give it his all. He either goes in all or nothing, and that was Rohit. And I'm proud that, you know, his madness has made this film work, and that's what you see on screen. It's all him.
It is.
One question.
I've paid
I want
Varun to
ask
say all
Akshay.
that.
One question I want to ask Mr. Khanna. why you make your fans wait so much to see you on the screen? A long gap.
I had
we
some.
really miss you.
Thank you. I had some personal issues which I had to sort out, so I couldn't work for a while. But I'm thrilled to be back with this film and a couple of more films this year. And you were talking about why everybody did the film. I think for me, besides for many other reasons, which a lot of them are standing here, but I think just the one line of the film is so fresh. As even just 36 hours before a India-Pakistan final, a major Indian cricket player gets kidnapped. I mean, just that simple one-liner is so interesting and so fresh. And the fact that I kidnap him makes it even nicer. So that's the reason I was so interested in the film in the first phase.
Thank you for coming back.
Hi everyone, I'm Sunil from Movie Talkies here.
Hi, Sunil.
Hi.
Movie talkies.
Yeah. My question is to John. John, you are a non-smoker in real life, and your character is like promoting smoking in this movie. So was it the character as this characteristics which is very important for the movie, was smoking?
Yeah, good question. So I asked Rohit the same thing. I said, I'm a non-smoker and I'm smoking in the film. He said the character is very important. He's saying character comes first and this is your character. You've got to play the character. So this is something that goes out to the audience. We're not encouraging smoking in this film, very clearly, but it's his character. He's a chain smoker and there are a lot of scenes in the film that are very relevant to his smoking in the film, which is why, and I think there are fantastic scenes with cigarette. Rohit, you want to stress on that?
Yeah, and he's even in the trailer, if you hear there's a female voice that tells him, "Mat piyo, it's killing you." So the film doesn't endorse smoking at all. There are constantly characters around him who are telling him to just stop the stick. But he's a nicotine addict. He's a cop. Thoda sa sanki hai picture mein, and this is where he gets his fix from.
John, also we have been watching you in action movies here only for a while. Like Force 2 would be the upcoming one, another. And the last release, Rocky Handsome, was an action movie. This one also the same. So can we see Garam Masala Sam anytime back?
I don't know. I think that we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. It's too early to say. And right now it's just I
In
finished.
comedy.
Yeah, maybe in the future. Yeah, sure. For a change.
Hi, Jacqueline. Hi. Priyanka, you're from India Films. Here.
Hi.
Hi. You're looking stunning today.
Thank you.
Okay. So, we have seen the boys do a lot of action in the film. And, few of your glimpses are as well seen in the film.
Yeah.
So, is there more to it on the action front from your side?
Well, actually, I was just happy to be part because there is so much action in the film concerning the boys. There's a full chase, there's a full adventure happening in the locations and stuff as well. And I was actually part of that. So I was part of that chase with them. So whatever they were going through, whatever they were running from and trying to achieve, I was part of that. And yeah, it was a crazy adventure.
It was crazy.
It was. I mean, like I said, we got to witness those animals in real life. We got to, that entire bike that you see, that entire sequence was off a cliff, So I'm not saying I'm like beating and bashing up anyone, but just to be part of that to me also was a huge high octane action, So to be part of that was amazing.
So, did you enjoy yourself in that process?
Yeah, it was crazy. I mean, like very,
She
very.
got a swollen knee doing Zumba. That's true.
I used to make them, when we were shooting in Morocco, I used to make them, including John, do Zumba after shoot. So I did get a swollen knee, actually. It wasn't from the action, sadly, but it was from Zumba. Thank you, Varun, for sharing that with everyone.
Sajid ji, on your left. Yeah.
Left and center.
Where is he? Where?
सब लोग पॉइंट करो उसको किधर है उठाओ
तो साजिद जी ऐसे में तो क्या आप मोदी जी को भी आप ये फिल्म दिखाएंगे क्योंकि
किसको
मोदी जी को
तू फोन कर
प्रोडक्शन वालों का काम है ये आपके फिल्म का
आपको डायलॉग अच्छी लगी?
जी बिल्कुल बहुत ही अच्छे लगे
हाँ, ये डायलॉग्स हुसैन दलाल ने लिखे और वो इस वक्त हमारे साथ है नहीं, बीच में है, एंड या ही स्टिल अलाइव, सॉरी, हमारे बीच नहीं है, एंड ही इज रिटन ऑल द लाइंस इन द फिल्म.
साजिद जी आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? ओके वरुण, वो
हाँ भाई तू बोल, हमारा रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है, बोल तू.
वो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस अंडरवियर में शूट करने का? अगर
बहुत अच्छा है.
वो मेरे साथ था तो अच्छा ही लगेगा ना.
बहुत अच्छा है. रोज जब मैं उठता हूँ अंडरवेयर में उठता हूँ, रोज जब मैं सोता हूँ अंडरवेयर में सोता हूँ. उसके बीच में जो होता है वो मैं बता नहीं सकता इधर.
नहीं, यहाँ सेट पे इतने सारे
सेट
लोगों
पे
के
बहुत
बीच-
नहीं, मस्त था यार, एकदम मस्त था. अच्छा हवा चल रहा था, जॉन भाई थे, तो मतलब एक अच्छा इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है.
एक दूसरे को देख रहे थे हम लोग.
हाँ, खुश थे.
ओके जॉन, हाल ही में हाउसफुल 3 के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे अक्षय कुमार ने कहा कि आपको सांड बताया, उन्होंने कहा कि वो इस फिल्म में नहीं है, तो क्या आप भी उन्हें कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, वो तो बॉस है।
ओके, अक्षय खन्ना जी कैसे हैं आप? यहाँ
भाई संभाल के पूछा, अभी संभाल के पूछ।
जी बिल्कुल। इतने दिनों की छुट्टियों पर गए थे आप या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप? क्योंकि अमूमन देखा जाता है कि लोग छुट्टियों पर कहीं बीच पे जाते हैं या कहीं कुछ भी जाते हैं।
No, no, I was not on holiday. I had some serious personal issues which I had to take care of, and nothing other than that.
Hi, this is Faridoon from Bolorangama, this side.
Hi, Faridun.
Hi, hi. First of all, Mr. Khanna, incredible to have you back. You are amazing talent. The questions have already been asked to you about your absence here, this side. This side? On your right. On your right.
On the right.
On your right. So the questions have already been asked that I had in my mind. So welcome back once again, and we hope to see you much more in the films in the near future. To Varun Dhawan, I'd like to say fantastic promo. Actually, I think it's looking very entertaining.
Thank you, Faridun.
And you know when the poster came out with the dog of and you and John Abraham, you know I was going through a few mentions on Twitter, and some people were saying that these guys, they're having swag actually. And when we saw the promo today, we see the swag written all over the promo, and when the entire swimming trunks come into the picture, so the swag factor just hits the roof somehow. So could you just elaborate more on the swag factor that your fans are looking forward to?
I will honestly shown you, but I don't want to offend anyone over here. But I think the swag factor, I think it's just about the attitude that Rohit kind of told us to keep. Junaid and Kabir are two very distinct characters, and their characteristics are very distinct. He's quite hardcore. He is a loose cannon. And Junaid's a rookie cop. He wants to learn. He's very eager to learn. He wants to be part of the... So while I'm trying to be like hardcore and stuff, andar se I'm having a lot of insecurities and reservations, but I want to look cool. So that's why I have the bulldog and stuff. But yeah, honestly, I think the swag, where does it come from, bhaiya?
I think it comes from Rohit himself.
I don't know, it probably just comes from me, I guess.
Yeah, he's naturally
They both are just
swag.
copying me, Varun and John.
Naturally swag.
Why don't you show us how
No,
John
it's
walks
just
and how I
like
walk?
a-
No, show us. Why
it's
don't you
just
show
like
us?
a- they've-
Just show us. Why don't you show us? No, just so he should know that this is not
I'll
home
show me.
where I'm the younger brother. This is my house. I've done this very often. I know all these people. So I think, why don't you show us? You can't bully me over here.
No. So it's a huge team that comes together to make them look so good.
वरुण
और ये आवाज
यस
पांडे जी
पांडे जी।
कितनों को आपने क्या क्या करा है आप हो ना इधर हाँ
जी मैं यही हूँ ओके वरुण ये डिशुम
सर
इसका
पहले तो मैं बोलूँ ये आपकी आवाज सब लोग हिल गए
Does
इधर
that have an echo in
No,
it?
that's
His
his-
mic?
पांडे जी आप प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
That's Mr. पांडे
Yes, hello, Mr. Pandey.
थैंक यू ये डिशुम मतलब क्या है इस पूरी फिक्शन में कुछ कनेक्शन है
सर बहुत कनेक्शन है
क्या?
डिशुम आई थिंक पुराने फिल्म्स आई थिंक मोर देन मी आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन आई थिंक लेट हिम ओनली व्हाई डिड वी कॉल इट डिशुम
डिशुम जो वर्ड है आई थिंक एटलीस्ट हमारे देश में इंडिया में बिफोर यू से मम्मी पापा अब्बू अम्मी बच्चा डिशुम बोलता है मतलब बच्चा या कहीं भी हो यू नो एनी एज एनी स्ट्रैटा ऑफ सोसाइटी इट्स द फर्स्ट वर्ड दैट यूजुअली अ चाइल्ड अटर्स व्हाइल इज प्लेइंग विद हिज टॉयज एंड जस्ट बीटिंग देम अप हिमसेल्फ सो आई जस्ट फील इट ये एक्शन जॉनर जो होता है देयर इज नो बेटर वर्ड टू डिस्क्राइब इट इन आवर कंट्री you know dishum just means punch and whether it's a line a punch line or it's someone hitting each other or it's a chopper or a bike or a speedboat जिस बात में वो थोड़ी पंच हो it's just that means dishum for me
तो आपने अपनी जिंदगी में किसको सबसे ज्यादा डिशुम बोला है
बोला नहीं मतलब साउंड सुना हाँ वरुण को मारते वक्त
A lot.
बहुत खाया उसने बचपन से
वरुण
You were,
You wanted to see more of his butt.
Yeah, John, why did
Why
you
did you
restrict
restrict
it?
it, John?
Yeah.
every time
Why?
I pulled it down, Varun pulled it back up.
ऐसे नहीं मेरे बच्चों के टीजी है ऊपर कर लो
Hi Varun, John. Yeah.
So okay.
See, the cricketer in the film, he's India's top batsman, just like Virat Kohli. He's athletic looking, extremely attractive, just like Virat Kohli. उसकी हारते हुए मैचेस जिताने की आदत है, just like विराट कोहली. But his name is Virat Sharma and he's not Virat Kohli.
No, I think except the name. I love the name. And I played Kabir in Dhoom.
And he's not a Roy agent.
And I'm not a Roy agent in this, so it's a different template. It's a different format. It's an action adventure film. It's very different, and I love this space. I really love this space. I don't think anybody has any boundaries today, on social media today. So, very honestly, I think there's nothing like honesty on the net in any case. So, all you guys have become so brave on the net because no one has a face today. So, it's fantastic, yeah, to actually combat faceless people most of the time. So, congratulations to all of you on social media.
Really? Stop it.
Auntie, I see you and faint all the time. आपको तो पता है हमारा last time I answered your question, you called me something, so I said this time I'm not going to tell you
What'd she
anything.
call you?
I
Tell
can't
me,
say it over.
please.
I can't say it over. We have a
Fitness mantra? Turning sexy mantra. I mean, you know.
What do you do? Any oils, any milk, any मतलब no, even I think, what do you do?
Come on.
No, how do I know?
follow your mantra. I mean, like, I just think that if you work out and you know, diet and see, honestly speaking, a lot of people thinks it comes very easy, but we all can tell you it doesn't. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of discipline when you need to work out and make a body. And these guys, I mean, I know when we were shooting in Abu Dhabi and you guys were doing your chaddi shot, it was like you guys worked for worked out for at least 40 days straight. They weren't, you know, eating any carbs. So it's very difficult, and I think more than anything, you've just got to be happy as well. You've got to be happy.
I've always been scared of the media, so nothing new.
John, Varun, here.
हाँ जी सर.
Yeah, towards your left.
What's up? How's it going?
जानना चाहूँगा कि इसमें इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच की बात हो रही है, तो इसमें पाकिस्तान कितना है और क्या लगता है कि अगर वो नेगेटिव रेफरेंस है पाकिस्तान का तो पाकिस्तान
I would like to clear this. बिल्कुल नेगेटिव रेफरेंस नहीं है पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ या किसी भी कम्युनिटी के खिलाफ. It's a very positive representation. And in fact, what we are trying to show that for certain people, sometimes money is the religion. It's not being an Indian or being a Pakistani or being a Hindu or being a Muslim or a Christian or whatever. Money is sometimes the biggest motive behind things. And जो आम जनता होती है, they get fooled into thinking that, oh, this is the reason. But I think in today's day and age, at least in the capitalist world that we live in, money is the biggest driving force for most crimes, I feel.
एक सवाल और है कि जो क्रिकेटर किडनैप होता है उसका नाम विराट शर्मा है, जो मिलता जुलता विराट कोहली से है.
हाँ जी.
तो क्या कुछ विराट कोहली से इस बारे में बात हुई या कुछ बताएंगे?
I mean, when I met Virat because we both support the same team in football, so I've told him about it. He knows that we are making something on these lines, and he's quite cool about it.
Yeah, but he's not Virat Kohli. I'm just reiterating that at all.
It's just that the script was conceived how much time back?
It's a completely fictional script.
Because it was written long back, no?
Yeah, written years ago. So he's a top cricketer in your country right now. So you can let your imagination fly and think whoever you want him to be.
Okay, रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है. रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है,
आप होगा. हाँ.
It's okay, आपको मेरी आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है. Hi रोहित, hi रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे, देसी बॉयज में आप जॉन क्वालिटी डायरेक्ट कर चुके और यहाँ पे अक्षय सर जैसे दिग्गज, वरुण धवन जैसे दिग्गज, जैकलीन, पहला दिन शूट का जब आप उनके साथ आपने काम किया, चाहे मैं अक्षय सर की बात करूं या मैं वरुण की बात करूं, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या जब आप कोई सीन एक्सप्लेन करते थे, कई बार होता है कि एक्टर आपकी बात से इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता है, कुछ चेंजेस चाहता है कि ये इंप्रूवमेंट हो सकते हैं, तो कैसा दिन रहा स्पेशली अक्षय जी के साथ एंड वरुण के साथ? डू यू गॉट इमोशनल व्हाइल सेइंग एक्शन टू वरुण धवन?
नहीं इमोशन सब घर पे ही होता है. Not while shooting. We were extremely professional with each other in the capacity of an actor and director. और कुछ कभी सेट पे कभी इश्यूज नहीं हुई थी बिकॉज वी हैड स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम स्क्रिप्ट के साथ. हमने रीडिंग्स की थी तो सबको अपना किरदार बहुत क्लियरली पता था. सो ऑल दैट वाज जस्ट बिहाइंड क्लोज डोर्स. सो उसकी कुछ रीजनिंग भी नहीं होती थी सेट पे. इट वाज वी टू जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन गेटिंग द डेज वर्क, क्योंकि एज यू कैन सी इट वाज़न्ट एन ईजी फिल्म टू मेक फॉर मी एंड माई टीम. तो स्क्रिप्ट की बातें, परफॉर्मेंस की बातें सब हो गई थी पहले. And they both, as you asked me, they both have been extremely fantastic to work with. Varun is an extremely hard-working, hungry actor, who wants to give his best to every single shot. And in my limited experience of just 2 films, I feel it's been an absolute pleasure and joy to direct an actor like Akshay Khanna. And I don't think there's anyone else who has such great understanding of material.
Honestly, I think मेरे साथ कुछ ज़्यादा ही professional थे, and I can vouch for this. You can ask the other actors. You can ask John for sure. Wouldn't he shout at me the most on set? And John would take up for me
I would
always.
always hear everyone go, Bhaiya, one more shot, na Bhaiya, please, one more shot. I would always, and Rohit's like, no, and then he'll be like, okay, fine, come,
John.
one more. Right? Bhaiya, one more shot. Bhaiya.
Jacqueline, you're a phenomenal dancer, and we see some glimpses of your dancing as well in the promo. So could you tell us something about the music and your dance sequences? And
We have a really, really special track coming up in the next year, very soon, which we're all very excited about. And we worked extremely hard on this. We took a lot of time to actually shoot it as well. And it's a situational song, but you guys heard glimpses of it throughout the trailer. And we're really, really excited to release it very soon.
And what's really cool, I think, for Preetham fans or for like fans of music, if you loved Subha Hone Na De, I think Rohit and Preetham are teaming up after that. So
yes,
expect
it's a
something
special
big.
one. It's a special one.
साजिद
वरुण,
हेलो
this is-
हाय हाय हाँ साजिद डीएन नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में एक
भाई रुक जा पहले तू अपना नाम बोल. उठ
मैं
जा.
संजय
डरा हूँ.
मिश्रा संजय मिश्रा
The actor?
Where are you?
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी
मिश्रा जी क्या कर रहे हो आप?
संजय मिश्रा बीबीसी से एक हाँ जी डीएन नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में एक अभी मामला दर्ज हुआ है. फारूक ने करवाया है वो स्क्रिप्ट.
फारूक तो मेरा ड्राइवर है.
अब पता नहीं ये
ना, अच्छा क्या
आपके और अक्षय के खिलाफ स्क्रिप्ट का कुछ मामला है. हाँ.
डिशुम की?
नहीं कॉपीराइट इशू.
अच्छा नहीं अभी तक आया नहीं कुछ. क्या डरा रहा है?
Varun
हाँ जी,
and
sir.
John, here.
Sorry. Straight.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
After
So-
I'm you.
Right.
I'll then you.
So my question is, the trailer reminds us of Dhoom in a way. Dhoom has matured a lot. So is there a plan to make Drishyam into a franchise? Both of you.
It's nothing like Dhoom, but because John was in the first Dhoom, the original Dhoom, I think he should answer why it's different.
Yeah,
from-
I think when I heard the script of Dishum, this is the first thing I told Sajid and I told Rohit was that Dishum will go up to Dishum 8. You'll have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because this is a very young action adventure franchise and Kabir and Junaid will find new problems, new issues and move to different places and it's going to be fun. It's a great franchise. It's a great franchisable film.
Nandu from Eros, my question to you.
She
you're
wants her
this
number,
side.
Nandu.
No, I don't want his number.
Oh, she's back.
Nandu, it's a.
Yeah,
this
Nandu.
is your second film with Sajid. How is the
It's not the second.
Yeah.
We've
okay.
released a lot of films with Mr. Sajid Nadeerwala.
How has the association been with Sajid?
Excellent.
Just
It's a pleasure.
one, right?
It's a pleasure.
Would you like to elaborate?
It's a pleasure.
That's
all I can say.
elaborating.
Yeah, say,
John,
please.
John,
One second, ma'am. Let
John,
him please ask his question. Then you go on, promise. Preparation, I've never held a gun actually in any film. So first I had to learn that, so there was some kind of training for that. Secondly, he's very earnest, very honest. He really, really wants to be a good police officer. I think the more important preparation was that I'm playing a Emirati cop, a cop based in UAE, in Abu Dhabi. So I had to kind of learn a little Arabic. And it's there. There's a portion in the film, perfect the language, perfect the way how cops speak over there. It's quite different from the cops in Mumbai. So to go and observe, luckily we did have, the police did help us a lot over there. So I got to spend some time with them as well of how they go about their day to day, how they keep people in check. So that, and where the comedy is concerned, I think that's in the lines, the way Hussain has written it, how the screenplay, how Tushar has written it, and I think Rohit's really good with comedy. So those things came about. I mean, it's in the line ki tu munna bhai hoga lekin main circuit nahi hu. All that is all there.
Okay, मेरा सवाल जैकलिन से, जैकलिन मेरा सवाल आपसे है, if you can hear me.
Where are you?
जैकलिन, yeah. हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन हमारी मुलाकात आपसे हो रही है, हाउसफुल के प्रमोशन में हैं आप, डिशम का हिस्सा हैं आप, यहाँ मौजूद हैं, आप शूट कब करते हो? We have seen you. We have been, you know, we have every second day, you know, we are here for some promotion. For some time for Houseful 3, now you are here for Dishum. After 2.
देखो मैं कितना मेहनत करती हूँ कि प्रमोशंस कर सकती हूँ, शूटिंग कर सकती हूँ. हाँ आप लिखते कभी?
और अपने लिए
आप
काम
हमेशा हाँ
अपने लिए काम करती हूँ.
हाँ वो नहीं है.
Ma'am, you please.
रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है. We have also seen Nargis in the promo.
One sec.
Sir, इनको पूछना है फिर आप पूछ लो, promise.
John.
No, she wants to ask.
John, for a change आप shoes में नजर आ रहे हैं. तो ये change कैसे आ गया?
क्योंकि I borrowed these shoes. I only have chappals. And
After marriage change आ गया?
नहीं मेरे पास चप्पल्स ही है और मेरे पास I just got enough clothes to fit into one suitcase. उससे ज़्यादा मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं. बस काफ़ी है यार.
Okay, रोहित मेरा सवाल आपसे है. Promo में you also seen Nargis in the promo. तो नरगिस का कितना बड़ा किरदार होगा फिल्म के अंदर? उनकी मौजूदगी भी नहीं है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
It's a special cameo in the film. It's a special cameo, and she actually plays a very interesting and fun character who both the cops interrogate regarding the case, Kabir or Junaid.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
No, he isn't. And that's also, just leave that for July 29. Some things hidden are the best.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you so
Who's
much.
hijack?
Thank you.
Say. एक मिनट, एक बेचारी को बोलना है, कुछ बोलो.
That's.
Hi जानकी, कैसी हो तुम? What's up? हाँ? अच्छा इतना मैंने ये किया, सीधा जैकलीन से question.
Janki's preferences are very different.
Janvi, naughty girl.
Varun's very sad
Janki
right
is
now.
female dostana.
You know that will be headlines. हाँ, please talk. करती हूँ.
What do you want to do more? That you love money. Say that.
Shut up. No, actually, I've done both, and I started my career also doing a lot of multi-star films, and they are a lot of fun to do. I have to say, now I'm promoting also Houseful 3 and Dishum together. I've worked on both these films last year. There's so much you learn from multi-stars, and they're great fun. And even when you're doing a solo, heroine film as well, sometimes you miss like female co-stars and female energies on set. But then, of course, you become one of the guys and you learn a lot from them. And it's you don't get any more attention because guys tend to bond a lot more on set. But I think to answer your question, because I just went on speaking.
Just say I love money.
Shut up. Yes.
लड़कों के लिए older, लड़कियों के लिए younger.
Fortunately, I won't be here. I'm going to be shooting abroad, by the way. I'm going to be shooting. I'm leaving on Friday. But yeah, I'm sure she's going to have a nice big party.
That's the last question, guys.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
We don't fool around.
We don't fool around during work. We
Rohit, you
mean
can't
business.
fool around.
We mean business. We are some hardcore cops, and we mean business, and we interrogate people really, really.
But
properly.
Coco was really fun, the monkey. We made good friends with Coco.
That's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you for being here.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.